So we are at the same place. This is the part 2, and in there's the 2 elevators were there. So this is the next part. Here's the elevator 2. So yes. Okay. Alright, so here's the elevator. A new call button here, the red, but there's, yeah, alright. Huh. What? Okay, here's, this is the, there's no lights here I can see. Alright. And what? Alright. I like the blue version here. Vision I can see here.
Utgangsetasje. Kjører opp.
And 2 lights. And the train has come. Yeah, the train has arrived here.
Andre etasje. Kjører ned.
And sikkerhetskontroll. Alright. (2009).
Utgangsetasje.
Yeah, the train is.
Kjører opp. Kjører opp.
Oh, the blue lights. Huh. And now it goes up. This is interesting.
Kjører opp.
And this is. What? Oh man. Maybe they should fix this elevator because I can see the panels.
Andre etasje.
Yeah.
Kjører ned.
A train has been arrived here too. Oh.
Kjører ned.
Alright, let's get this elevator down.
Utgangsetasje. Kjører opp.
Alright, coming up.
Andre etasje.
And now it opens
Første
here.
etasje. Kjører opp.
Oh, it opens here too if I press this key button here. Yeah, definitely it needs to be fixed.
Andre etasje. Kjører ned.
Why is the alarm button lighting here and this is lighting here, but I didn't press it, so I don't know why this failed. Alright. Alright, that was the done out today, so see ya.